Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making this super easy twisted beanie hat in front of me here. You can wear it as a scarf as well as a headband. I'm going to try it on all three ways and I'll let you see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, I have my fabric in front of me here that I'm going to be using. This is a stretch fabric and the stretch goes in both directions. So if you want to make a twisted beanie like this, all you need to do is make sure and get your stretch material. Alright, so I'm going to be cutting this and then come back and let you see how I put it all together. Alright, this is the piece of fabric I have cut already for the hat. This measurement is for my customer. The head measurement is 21, so over here I make it 10.5. And for the length I cut it 22. Alright, so I'm going to go to the machine and I'll show you exactly how I do this. Alright, I'm at the machine ready to put this all together. And we're going to use a zigzag stitch, as that would be a better stitch for stretch materials. So what I'm going to do is stitch down to a certain distance, and I gave this a center notch. However, I'm going to leave a space between the first half, anywhere between here. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to stop about there and leave about 2 to 3 inches opening and continue to the end. Alright, so you finish stitching and you have your hat on the table, lay flat just like this. And when you're finished, on this end, on the folded end, you notch the center. You notch that center and you notch this center. Okay. Alright, so you're going to pick up this side. Either side you can pick up, but I'm going to use this end. You're going to pick up this end and you're going to go over to the opposite side. And then you're going to take this end and bring it onto this side, so you have that twist. Alright, so that's that. Remember, it's on the wrong side, so you're going to make sure you have 4 pieces here. Okay, you have 4 pieces here. You have this top one, the 2 middle ones, and you have this one on the bottom. The 2 middle ones, you're just going to put those 2 aside. Okay, and you just pin these 2 together. Okay, you're just going to pin that together like that. But first you're going to find, this is your seam and this is your notch. Put them right sides together. You're going to join this, you're going to pin this seam with this notch. Right, you leave it just like that, and you're going to take this notch and you're going to pin it to this seam. Make sure the right sides are together. Alright, you continue to pin all the way around. It's going to look a bit complicated, but don't worry. And once you finish pinning this, these ends together, you can go ahead and stitch all the way around, and always use a zigzag stitch. Alright, I finished stitch all the way around, so now I'm gonna turn. You're gonna look for your opening. My opening is here. Then you're gonna turn your hat inside out. And what I like to do is get a needle and thread and just hem this neatly, and as it's for a customer, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I double my thread just to make it stronger. So I'm gonna pick up my fabric from the inside, pick up a couple of threads from the fabric from the inside, and just give it that nice hem. Alright, so that's it. Alright, and that's the hat done. It's really easy. You can make these for yourself or for someone as a gift. You can see how it is right here, and you can see that it has a twist right at the bottom here. You can use it as a scarf, or you can use it as a headband. Alright, so hope you enjoy the video. Like, share and subscribe, and come back for more uploads that I'll be doing weekly. Tell a friend to tell a friend.